Hello everybody, welcome to my website. I will explain my website for each page, but first of all, I will introduce myself. My name is Intan Kurniasari. You can call me Intan. I was born in Salatiga. I'm a student at Saryawacana Christian University and study in Faculty Teacher Training and Education. I'm joined the committee in campus activities. This is located on Salatiga, Central Java, Indonesia. Salatiga is a cozy little town because surrounded by mountains and it has many facilities at there. First page, I explain about Bloom's taxonomy. Summary of Bloom's taxonomy. The original intent in creating the taxonomy was to focus on three major domains of learning: cognitive, affective, and psychomotor. First, the cognitive domain covers the recall or recognition of knowledge and the development of intellectual abilities and skills. Second, the affective domain covers change in interests, attitudes, and values, and the development of appreciation and adequate adjustment. Third, the psychomotor domain encompasses the manipulative of or motor skill area. Original Bloom's taxonomy: knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, evaluation. The new version of Bloom's taxonomy: remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, creating. Second page, I explain about presentation tool. I use Prezi as a presentation tool. Prezi looks like PowerPoint but has many terms that look attractive and could support the presentation that have been made, and it has the advantage that is of showing the student with the latest technology. I also using Screencast-O-Matic to explain characteristic of living things. Third page, I explain about remembering tool. I choose mind mapping as a way of teaching because I think it's easy to use. I took this method uses of coconut tree from each part. Mind mapping allows elementary school students to remember. The next page, I explain about understanding tool. I using Animoto to explain my subject matter. The material is about natural resources. The next page, I explain about applying tool. In this page, I using Google Presentation. This tool is similar with Microsoft PowerPoint, but is using an online tool. I explain about herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores in animals. In the next page, I explain about analyzing tool. In this page, I using Flisty. Using Flisty to create question and answer. The question is about dicotyl and monocotyl of plants, so students could answer and find out the correct answer. The next page, I explain about evaluating. Learning with media Google Docs. Learning requires us to use their imagination and creative thinking to produce a material that is more interesting. Google Docs will help us in drawing, so we will create a material with the student how to draw that is easy to remember. Not only the course material we teach, but the image is also important. Students also can do it themselves. They can use these tools to draw their own liking. I draw a process of photosynthesis in plants. Photosynthesis is the process of making food in plants with the help of energy from the sun. The last page, I explain about creating tools. I use the learning media is by making stories. Storytelling will enhance their imagination. Interesting story will always be remembered by students. Recording will be enthusiastic in listening to the story. The story should be prepared as well as possible in order to attract students to pay attention to the story presented by the teacher. Here I am using a program Storyboard in order to make the story more interesting, because here has provided the picture that can support our story. This is my website. I hope it will give some information. Thank you.